Welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, we're going to see how to wireframe a habit tracker app using MockFlow Wireframe Pro. Here, we'll be using a master page. So what is a master page? A master page helps us reuse common UI elements across multiple screens. Start by adding the mobile browser frame. Here, we're going to use it from the MockFlow iOS 26 UI kit, followed by the status bar. Then add the bottom navigation bar from the navigation UI kit. Drag and drop the ready-to-use bottom navigation bar, customize it as needed. And change the icons using the MockFlow icon library. Next, we're going to add the created mobile frame as a master page. Create a new page, click on Select Master, and choose the page for which the master page should act as a background. Once the master page is selected, start designing the screens. Begin by adding the welcome text with the username, followed by the day and date. Next, add an image placeholder to indicate the profile icon and replace it with an uploaded image from the MockFlow image library. Next, we're going to add the dates section. For that, add the text for the day, then add a circle and overlay the date text. Create one date selector, reuse it, customize it, and repeat the process for the remaining dates. Highlight a specific date by customizing the circle component. Now we'll create the Set Reminder section. Add a rectangle and customize it as the background. Add the section title, followed by an image placeholder and a short description for the reminders. Then add a button component and customize the label to Set Now. The image will be added later to the placeholder. Next, create the Daily Routine section. Add the title and a See All link with an underline. Add a check icon from the MockFlow icon library. Then insert a rectangle to serve as the routine background. Inside it, place an image placeholder. Add the routine name as text, and include a small subheading for the time. Insert a divider line, reuse the check icon, replace it with a time icon, and add the time text. Reuse the routine card to create multiple routines. Finally, add and customize a divider near the icons to look like a progress line. Now we're going to create a screen called New Habit. add the close icon, then add an image placeholder. Next, design the input fields by adding the field label, followed by a rectangle component with placeholder text like type here. Reuse the same input field to create another one. This time, drag and drop the date input dropdown and add an input field next to it with placeholder text add time. Next, design the repeat days section. Add the title, then add a circle and overlay the day text. Reuse the same component to create the rest of the days. Select one day and highlight it by customizing the style. Then add another section titled Get Reminder, and include a toggle button customized to match the layout. Now we're going to design the analytics screen. Use the same mobile frame master page as we did for the first screen. Add the screen title, then add a search icon with a circle as the background using the MockFlow icon library. Add a rectangle to act as a card and customize it. Inside the card, add text for the monthly activity, the activity percentage, and a circular element with text inside it. Next, add a greeting section by reusing the previously created card. Add a greeting title and a short description message. Then create activity parameter cards using rectangles as backgrounds, one for calories with the number and unit text, and another for total activity time. Finally, create a card for the current step count, add the title and number of steps, and include a footstep icon with a circular background. Once everything is done, replace all image placeholders with images uploaded from the MockFlow image library. With this, we've successfully created multiple screens for a habit tracker app using the master page feature in MockFlow Wireframe Pro. MockFlow Wireframe Pro makes wireframing a breeze. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wireframing tutorials.